Alright, so here we have a set of right ulna and a right radius. Right, so these are the bones that you're going to find in the antebrachium region. Starting with the ulna, in standard anatomical position, the ulna is going to be on the medial aspect of the antebrachium, while the radius would be on the lateral aspect. If we focus just on the ulna for a second, some of the prominent features that you can see at the proximal end are going to be the olecranon process and the coronoid process. These are the processes that wrap around the trochlea of the humerus. And here you see the trochlear notch. So this kind of U-shaped notch between those two processes. If we focus on the coronoid process, just lateral to that coronoid process, you see the radial notch. Right? In this particular model, the notch is highly visible. This notch obviously should be pointing lateral so that the head of the radius could articulate there. Right? As we make our way down towards the distal end, the only other feature that we're going to identify in this course is going to be the head and the styloid process of the ulna. Right? And notice that styloid process is again kind of towards the medial posterior aspect of this bone in standard anatomical position. So that is the ulna. If we look at the radius here, again, this is going to be a right radius. Note that the proximal end is where you find the head of the radius, followed by the neck. And then as you make your way distal, you have the radial tuberosity here. And again, that's going to be an attachment site for muscles. Going towards the distal end, the only other features that are going to be visible here are the styloid process of the radius on the lateral aspect, and in the medial aspect you have the ulnar notch of the radius, where the head of the ulna would articulate. And so those are the main features for this course that we're going to need to identify, and then of course be able to distinguish left versus right.